Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we're tackling something that literally all of us deal with, finding a reliable, actually free, and super fast VPN for your phone. We're going to cut right through all the App Store noise and just focus on the absolute best options out there for both iPhone and Android. Let's dive in. I mean, we've all been there, right? You're trying to access a specific website, or maybe you're testing an app, and bam, you hit a geo-block. Or maybe you're just sitting at a coffee shop and want to use their public Wi-Fi safely, but you really don't want to shell out cash for a premium subscription. Well, if you need a secure, totally free way around that, you are in the right place. And I want to highlight a quote straight from our source material today. I personally use these on my Android and iPhone. So yeah, we aren't just throwing random theories at you. These are heavily tested tools that act as daily drivers. They deliver the security and speed you need. And the best part? No credit card required. All right, let's get into Section 1. First app, Super Unlimited Proxy. So the exact name you're looking for is VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. Keep an eye out for that specific name because honestly, the app stores are just flooded with copycats. You want this exact build. It's the heavyweight we're starting with today. So why does this one stand out from the crowd? Well, first off, it works perfectly whether you're Team Apple or Team Android. It's fully optimized for both. Plus, it uses this super simple one-tap connection. You literally just tap it, no messy configurations needed. And surprisingly, it actually gives you a really solid list of free geographic locations to route your traffic through. Now, a really cool use case for this is heavy media workflows. The original creator specifically pointed out how flawlessly this runs with resource-heavy video editing apps on the iPhone. If you're creating content and need to pull templates or export files through servers that are blocked in your country, this app is a total lifesaver. It gives you the stable bandwidth to just keep your creative flow moving. Moving right along to Section 2, second app, Turbo VPN. This is Turbo VPN, and honestly, you're going to want to download this and keep it sitting right next to your primary VPN app on your home screen. Why do you need two? Well, it's all about having a backup plan. Look, free VPN servers are going to experience traffic spikes. That's just how it works during peak hours. So when your primary connection starts dragging or completely drops, Turbo VPN is your trusty plan B. You just switch over and your session is barely interrupted. And even though it's your backup, it definitely doesn't skimp on the good stuff. It's incredibly safe, fully compatible across both phone types, and it maintains high-speed connections across tons of international servers. Whether you need an IP address in the US or somewhere in Europe, it spins up fast. Okay, Section 3, How to Connect. Getting this set up is ridiculously easy. You just open the app, click Allow when your phone asks for the standard permission to set up a network profile, and then tap Connect. That's it. Your secure tunnel is up and running in a matter of seconds. You absolutely do not need to be a tech wizard to do this. And if you need to switch your digital location to bypass a regional block, just tap your current server, pick a new country from the list, and browse freely. The app completely handles the background rerouting instantly for you. And that brings us to Section 4, Conclusion and Suggestions. Before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about how these are actually free. Both of these apps are ad-supported. Basically, you get enterprise-grade routing without spending a single dime, and in exchange, the developers keep the servers running by showing you occasional in-app ads. It's a pretty fair trade-off for top-tier security at zero financial cost, right? So here's my question for you. Which specific app, website, or workflow are you finally going to unlock with these tools? I'd love to know, so definitely drop your use cases down in the comments. Take control of your routing, get those mobile speeds optimized, and most importantly, stay secure out there.